All right, I guess we can get started now. Can everyone hear me? You could just say so in the chat or with your mic if you.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well, okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining this first class here, this first Java programming class. I'll be the instructor for this 8-week class. My name is Kingsley Nawasu. Let's see. I guess I could start with a more formal introduction, and then we could all go around and say a little bit about ourselves. So I'll start. My name is Kingsley Nawasu. I got my undergraduate degree in computer science from St. Leo University in 2019 in computer science. And I got my master's degree in computer science from Virginia Tech in 2021. And let's see, what drives me to learn Java? I learned Java in my undergraduate classes, and I used it a fair amount there. I didn't really use it all that much in grad school, but in my first job out of college, I used Java a lot in my data engineering position for creating and managing data pipelines. So yeah, that's me. I guess we could start to go around and have everyone say their name, what school they go to, their grade, and what drives them to learn Java. I guess on my screen, it looks like...
Do you want me to help you call on the students?
Yeah, okay, that'd be great.
Sure, thank you. So let's just start with Stephanie.
Hi, my name is Stephanie. I go to Thomas Wooten High School, and I'm in 9th grade. And
please turn on the camera. Sorry for the interruption. Can you please turn on the camera, please? Everyone turn on the camera, yeah, please.
And I learned Java because I'm interested in computer science and like languages.
Thank you. Welcome, Stephanie. So next one, let's go to Sean.
Hi, I'm Sean. I'm in 6th grade and I go to Hoover. The main reason I came to this class was because I need to learn how to code Java next year for FTC.
That's great. Thank you, Sean. Next one, Aaron.
Hello, my name is Aaron. I go to Florence Elementary School, and I want to learn Java because I also need it next year for FTC.
Great job, Aaron. Yeah. So next one, Tyson.
Hi, my name is Tyson. I go to Halliwells Middle School, and I just like to code.
Great, Tyson. Thank you. And the next one, let's have Sophia.
Hi, my name's Sophia. I go to Cabin John Middle School. I'm in 6th grade, and what drives me to learn Java is that I want to become a better coder, and I also want to help my team in FTC.
That's awesome. Thank you, Sophia. We're happy to have you here. And the next one, Jerry.
I'm Jerry. I'm in 5th grade. I go to Stone Mill Elementary. What makes me to go to this class is because I need to learn Java for FTC.
Okay, thank you, Jerry. So Vincent, does it sound better for you because it says it's lagging? How about the rest of the members? Are we good? I hear very well from everyone.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, thank you. So let's move on. Vincent, see if you can drop off and join again. Yeah. So Alan, it's your turn now, Alan.
Hello, my name is Alan. I go to Robert Frost Middle School. I'm in 6th grade. What drives me to learn Java is I've been coding Java for a while, but I realized that the languages are more complicated, and the actual first is much more simplified. So I want to understand it more.
Great job, Alan. Yeah, hope you will get a lot of knowledge about the Java. So next one is Angela.
Hi, my name is Angela. I go to Robert Frost Middle School. I'm in the 7th grade. I want to learn Java because I learned it at like a really basic level at my school, but like I want to get into it more.
Great to have you here, Angela. So it looks like we have a lot of friends from Robert Frost, yeah. So the next one is Eddie. Eddie, are you here?
Hi, I'm Eddie. I go to Lakeland Spark Middle School. I'm in 6th grade. What drives me to learn Java is because I've learned to code from a very young age, and I want to like learn more about it.
Great job, Eddie. So next one is Vincent. Vincent, your turn, please. Vincent Geng, yeah.
My name is Vincent, and I go to Robert Frost Middle School, and I'm in 6th grade. The reason I want to learn Java is because of FTC robotics.
Okay, Vincent, I see that you are using your iPad. Do you have your computer with you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Vincent. Glad to have you here. So next one is also Vincent Lu. Vincent, hi, Vincent. Is Vincent here? Okay, let me just skip. So Aditya.
Hello, my name is Aditya, and I go to Halliwell's Middle School, and I'm in 7th grade. And I already know Java, but I just want to like learn more of like the fundamentals and like how to code properly.
Okay, that's a great idea, Aditya. We are very happy to have you here. And our next friend is Joey. Hi, Joey, are you here?
Yeah.
Good. Now introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Joey. I go to Robert Frost Middle School, and I'm in 6th grade. What drives me into learning Java is I want to be a better coder, and yeah,
That's great, Vincent. We are Joey, right? We're happy to have you here. So I will leave the floor to your instructor. Here you go, yeah, Vincent.
All right. Well, it's nice to meet you all. Sounds like we have a diverse set of experience with Java here, from people that may be using it for the first time to people that have used it a bit. And I did hear some different reasons for learning Java, some for FTC, some for just wanting to learn more about coding. So that'll give me a good, I guess, perspective as I'm teaching this class. So with the introductions out of the way, we can continue with the slides here. So I'm going to show a short little video that kind of explains what Java is in general. I won't play the entire video, just the parts that matter to us, and then we'll move on. All right. Everyone can see this video, correct?
Yes, we can see it.
All right. I'm gonna start playing it now.
We don't have sound, yeah.
There's no sound?
No sound, yeah. Maybe
okay.
we, yeah, share this.
Okay, I had a feeling this might happen. All right, I'm not sure how to.
You can unshare. Let me just stop you. Then you can share. When you share, you click audio, computer audio.
Oh, it's okay. I think okay, I see it now. All right. Okay, I think I fixed it. Let's see. We can restart this here.
Online forms, banking, and shopping are possible because of Java.
Yes,
Java is a computer-based programming language invented by James Gosling and Sun Microsystems in 1991. He had a single motto while creating the language. It was write once, run anywhere. This meant that the code would have to be written only once, but it could be used anywhere. They named this language Oak because of the oak tree outside Gosling's office. Later, it was named to green, then to Java Coffee, which was named after the coffee from Indonesia, and finally to Java in 1995. There are 3 editions of Java. Each programmer can learn any of these editions based on the application they want to make. Firstly, we have Java Standard Edition. This edition contains core libraries like java.lang, java.util, etc. Secondly, we have Java Enterprise Edition. This edition has APIs like JMS, EJB, JSP, servlets, etc. And lastly, we have Java Micro Edition, which is used to program Java in cell phones, set-top boxes, handhelds, and so on. Java is an object-oriented programming language based on C and C++. However, it is improved and simplified to solve the errors in programming. Java files are converted to bitcode format using a compiler and then executed by the Java interpreter. The whole Java code is run on the Java virtual machine, which provides a runtime environment. Now, the main concepts in Java are its methods and classes. A method is a block of code that performs a task only when it is called. Consider this example. While watching TV, you use the TV remote to change channels. Each button on the remote performs a different task. Methods in Java are the same. We can have methods to add 2 numbers or email a person or to convert kilometers to meters. A group of methods make a class. Classes are used to organize code, just like how fruits, vegetables, and clinical products are divided into different sections in a supermarket. There are a lot of features in Java. Let's start by looking at them one by one. It has a
Okay, we can stop it here. All right, so that video gave a general overview of Java and what it is. All right, let's see. So I suppose we could move on here. This slide here just talks more about I guess Karen, I have a quick question. Karen, are you there? Okay, maybe I'll ask her when she comes back. Yeah, I was wondering if I'll be able to share these slides with you guys, but I guess I'll figure it out later. Let's see. Okay, so this slide here goes pretty much over the major concepts that we'll be going over in this class, and it closely follows the kinds of the stuff that will be on the AP Computer Science exam, which is also based on Java. So we'll be going over everything from primitive types to objects to writing classes to using arrays. So a lot of this stuff might seem like gibberish for now, but as we proceed with this course, these concepts will become more familiar to you guys. Okay, so our objective for this first class is to just get our Java programming environment set up. So we won't really be doing much programming today. We just want to be able to get our infrastructure stuff up so that we can start coding later on. So to code in Java on your personal computer, it requires 2 things that you need downloaded: the Java development kit, which we will go over now, and an IDE called Eclipse, which is what will allow you to actually do the typing and all that stuff. So let's see. We will start with downloading the JDK. I know that some of the people in here mentioned that they had used Java in the past. So I guess maybe in the chat, can you say if you already have your Java environment set up, if you know? Okay. Android Studios. Yeah, it'll be easier if we all use Eclipse here. So if you're using another IDE, it's okay if you have it, but I would encourage you to also download Eclipse so that we're all on the same page. We'll be using Eclipse, Joey. All right, let's see here. And I'm not entirely sure how we can check if you have JDK already installed, but I guess I'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to post a link in the chat for downloading JDK, and I'll walk through the steps with you guys. So if you're not sure if you have JDK installed or you know you don't have it, can you follow that link? I'll follow it as well. All right. So when you follow the link, oh, okay, we have somebody. Let's see, Chromebook. Chromebook ought to be okay. Let's see. Windows and Mac is okay. I think it just. I think there are just some slightly different steps between the two. But Chromebook should be fine. If you run into a problem, just let me know, Eddie. All right. So so on this page, we'll be scrolling down here. So this part will be kind of tricky, I suppose. The steps are different depending on if you're using Mac or Windows. So just so I know, if you're using Mac, can you say so in the chat? Right. Okay, Jerry. Okay. All right. Well, okay. All right. So here's what I want all of us to do, regardless if you're using Mac or Windows. If you're using Windows, can you scroll down to this part of the page where it says Java SE Development Kit 19.0.1 downloads, and then click Windows, and then click this link to download a zipped file of the JDK. And if you're using Mac, you're pretty much doing the same thing. You're clicking Mac OS, and then you'll click this x64 compressed archive to download and install JDK. And I guess depending on your download speeds, this may or may not take a while. And of course, even after this class is over or throughout the week, I could work with you guys individually one-on-one to make sure that you have your environment set up so that by the time we start the next class on Monday, we'll all be ready. Okay. All right, so we are currently downloading the Java JDK from the official Oracle website. Oh, and by the way, Oracle is a company that manages Java. They're the ones that does all the updates and releases packages for it and all that stuff. All right, so we did these steps. We chose the zip file. All right. Okay. Is anyone still downloading JDK? Me. Okay. All right. I'll tell you guys what to do after the download is finished in a minute. We'll just give everyone another minute or so to finish downloading it. So I guess while we wait, does anyone have any questions so far? And if you guys feel more comfortable, you could turn your cameras off if it makes you feel more at ease. And if you like want to start speaking, then you could turn your camera back on so all of us can see you. Yes, Eddie, it's the x64 compressed archive. All right. Okay. Is anyone still downloading the JDK, or is anyone running into trouble downloading it? All right, good. This is going better than I expected. So next we're going to unzip the JDK and get it set up on our machine. So what I want you guys to do is open up the download with your file explorer. I'll do so on my end. I'll try to follow as quickly as best as I can. And you should see it zipped in your local drive, kind of like how these slides have. So you want to unzip it in a specific place. Let's see. So if you're on Windows, you're going to want to get the files all on your local disk. So it shows up as something like this on your C drive. And I know that might be kind of confusing. So I'll try to answer questions, any questions that you guys have. So our objective here is to unzip the JDK onto our local disk here, onto the top of the C drive. Oh, isn't a zip? Ooh, okay. Yeah, if yours isn't a zip, that means you might have clicked the wrong download. See, Jerry, can you make sure that, oh, whoops. Can you make sure that that you click the download that ends with .zip? Because there are some that ends with .exe, but you want to download the one that ends in .zip. The x64 compressed archive for Windows if you're using that one. The third one. Okay, yeah, you're gonna want to click the first one, Jerry. And for Mac, okay. Yeah, so if you're on Mac, you're gonna want to click the third one. And if you're on Windows, you're gonna want to click the first one. Oh, you did that. Okay. All right. And it's just an exe. Oh, that's weird. It should give you an option to extract it somewhere. All right, I may have to work with you a little closer, Jerry. But all right, was everyone able to follow with unzipping the JDK onto your local disk, onto the C drive? Is anyone else having troubles with that? Oh, okay, so Vincent, were you able to download the JDK? All right, so it should appear in your downloads folder at the top of it if you just downloaded it. Okay, so Angela, you want to unzip it onto your local disk here, and it might. I'm not really sure how. So if you're on Windows, there should be a place on your machine that's just the C drive, and you want to unzip it on top of that. You open. I'm not too sure what you mean by opened it, Eddie. We want to unzip it into the C drive here. How do you unzip? Okay, I'll try to walk through the process on my machine. I already had the JDK, but I mean, I'll try to walk through it again. Hope it doesn't cause any problems here. So on your downloads folder, once you download the JDK, you should see it as a compressed zip file on your downloads folder. So what you want to do is right-click it. Well, maybe not. Yeah, so you could right-click it and click Extract All, or you could click this Extract button here. But I'll right-click it and click Extract All. And you want to extract it on top of your C drive. So you would have to browse, click Browse here, and then click Local Disk, and then select Folder, and then Extract. So it should look something like this when you're about to extract it, just a C and then a colon and a backslash. Looks like we got something.
It isn't changing.
Oh, sorry, was that who was speaking?
Your screen's not changing.
Oh, it's not? Well, that's weird.
Like it's frozen.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I see what's happening. Okay. All right. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. I forgot to share my Windows Explorer page. Okay. So when you download the JDK, you should see something called JDK 19 Windows or Mac on your downloads folder. So you'd want to right-click that and click Extract All. And we want to extract this onto our C drive. So you want to click Browse when you click to extract it, and then click Local Disk, your C drive. This is pretty much like the top of your directory on Windows. Then click Select Folder, and then Extract. So once you click Extract, the JDK will appear on top of your local disk, like something like this, and it'll be uncompressed and everything.
Instead of local disk, it says OS for me.
Are you on Mac?
No.
Oh, I wonder why it says OS. That's weird. Okay, just try extracting it onto there, and it should work.
Like mine doesn't say extract. I press compress.
Oh, what? See, so the JDK should have been installed as a compressed file because it's kind of large. So I'm not really sure how. Okay, so we're gonna have to work out some. Yes, Angela, the local disk is the same as Windows C. Yeah. You see, Eddie, yours ends with gzip. Is that because you're on Mac? Are you on Mac, Eddie? Chromebook, okay. So I guess Chromebook uses something similar to Mac. Yeah, gzip should be fine. You should be able to extract that as well. Yes, Vincent, that should happen. When you click it, you want to extract it onto your local drive, into your C drive on Windows. All right, Jerry, if you're gonna re-download, try to make sure that that you're clicking the .zip option if you're on Windows, and if you're on Mac, try to click the tar.gz option here for the x64 compressed archive. So you're not going to want to open the compressed version of it yet. You just want to extract it. So to extract it, you would just like go to your Windows Explorer and then right click and then click Extract All. Because if you try to open it now, it's just the compressed version. Okay, so if you were able to unzip the JDK onto your C drive, could you say so in the chat, just so I can get a sense of where we're all at? It doesn't say extract, but that's weird. Yeah, I'm not too sure what to do with that problem, Jerry, because I can't see your screen. I anticipated that not all of us would be able to get our environment set up in just this one course, because there are always problems when it comes to this kind of stuff. So maybe after this class, or maybe sometime through the week, I'll sit down with everybody one-on-one, since this class isn't too big, and I could walk through all the problems that we're having. Doesn't have to.
Counselor,
yeah.
We can ask the students to share their screen, because I think this is a very important step.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sorry to interrupt. Sorry.
Oh no, it's no worries. Okay, so I guess we can. I could try to see. I know that we only have 30 minutes left here, and there's still a few more steps to go. Let's see.
That's okay. If it takes longer, for the slides that we can continue next week. That's okay.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, yeah. No worries on that. Yeah. Can you share the screen? Not it. I don't know your real name there, but the label is not edit. Can you share your screen?
Me?
Yep.
Yeah, you looks like you have a problem, so that's why I want you to share your screen. I wanted to see the issue so I can help, and Kingsley can help you as well.
Yep.
Okay. Oh.
Let's see. Are you able to share your screen, Eddie?
I don't know. Wait.
So on the bottom of your screen, you should see a share screen button. Click on it. Then you will have a choice as to what you want to share. You just share your desktop.
Okay, hold on. Wait. Oh, wait. I don't know what happened. I think.
Okay, Jerry, you go ahead and share it. Jerry, go ahead.
I have.
All right. Okay, it looks like you are using Mac, Jerry, which is okay. And I see that you have so you have downloaded the JDK. So can you right click that, Jerry? That's weird. Yeah, it looks like that it's already compressed, but there's no option to extract. Let's see.
Use OpenWiz, Jerry. Use OpenWiz.
Yeah, try opening with the archive utility.
Archive utility, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So what it's supposed to do. So let's see. Can you try moving that JDK to your documents folder? So like, does it just click and drag it to that documents folder that you see on the top left of your?
Huh? I'm confused. What did he say?
Can you try moving that? So right now that JDK, you were able to extract it, but it's still in your downloads folder. It'll be easier if it were in your documents. So can you like try clicking and dragging that JDK that you have highlighted right now to your documents? Oh, all right. Oh, wait, perfect. Okay. All right. That's all I needed to do. So yours is set up now. At least your JDK is in the right place now and unzipped.
Wait, it is? Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So Vincent, can you try sharing your screen now? Sharing screen now.
Yeah, I got to like this. Yeah, I got to like this. I already extracted it. Like I pressed extract all and I can't find the unzip.
All right, can you try right-clicking that, the download?
Oh, I already did.
Oh, looks like it's, okay. And try clicking extract all. I just want to see what it does.
It's not doing anything.
Oh, yeah, it looks like, yeah, it looks like your Chromebook's a little slow because that right click is just now coming up. All right. Yeah, just try clicking extract all, and maybe eventually some kind of thing will open up.
What's this? What's
Is it still hanging, Vincent?
Oh,
Looks like you've tried clicking extract all, correct? And it's still not doing anything?
No, I don't know if you see this, but like there's some kind of thing on my screen. It's it says like it's at 0%.
Oh, yeah, I'm not sure if I see that part of your screen.
So what do I do?
Let's see. Did anything come up after you click extract all?
Yeah, it said like it just started. I clicked like when I clicked extract all, there was a button to extract. I pressed it, and it like there was a percent thing. It started at 0%, and then it just didn't do anything.
Yeah, I guess I didn't see that part of your screen. Are you using full screen right now?
What?
Are you in windowed mode right now? Maybe that was why I couldn't see your entire screen, because I didn't see the parts where like anything come up after you click extract all.
Oh yeah, I only like shared the download screen. That's why.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's this thing here. You see?
Okay. All right. Yep. Now I see it. Okay. So don't click extract yet. Go to browse.
What?
Do you see that browse? Yep. Did something come up? Okay, I see it. Now click. Do you see OS down there? OS C. It's to your left, kind of. I mean, the left side of your screen, under videos.
Videos.
Yes. So do you see OS? Yeah. So click that. Okay, and now click select folder.
Select folder.
All right. Now click extract.
Yeah, it's here now.
All right. Looks like it's extracting. It's extracting now. Hopefully it will complete. This shouldn't take too long.
It's just at 0%.
And does it ever get past 0% when you've tried before?
Yeah, it did get past 0%. Yeah, but that time like I didn't do the steps before.
Okay. All right. So I'm not sure how long it will take for you. So I guess in the meantime, we could maybe have Eddie share his screen now.
All right.
And then we could come back to you, Jerry, once the extraction is complete.
What did he say?
I mean, then we could come back to you once your extraction is complete. But in the meantime, we're gonna have Eddie share his screen. Eddie, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't share when Vincent's sharing.
Okay. All right. Oh, sorry. It was Vincent that I'm sharing their screen right now, not Jerry. Yeah, so sorry for freaking you out, Jerry. Okay, so Vincent. Okay, good. You share your screen. Now Eddie, can you share your screen?
Do you see it?
I saw it for a sec. Okay, all right, now I see it. Okay, it looks like you were in a similar situation as Vincent just was.
Yeah,
so
when I right click it, this opens up, but there's no like extract.
All right, so can you click open with? Okay, and now click open.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Now, can you right-click that JDK and click, let's see, click copy. All right, now click my files to your right, like on the, yeah. All right, and now so we'll just paste it onto there. So now right click and then press paste. All right. Okay, looks like that's copying over now. And that should be the uncompressed version.
Okay.
All right. Is anyone else still having issues? Okay. All right, looks like we can move on now. So I might give it another minute so that the people extracting can get theirs finished up. All right, I'm gonna share my screen again. Let's see here. I promise that the class will get more fun than this. So this is, the first class is always kind of tough getting everyone's environment set up, but eventually we'll get to the coding again, or we'll start coding eventually. All right, let's see here. So now that we have the JDK downloaded and installed into our system, we need to do two more things to set up our environment. We need to set up the path and also the path and Java home environment variables. Now, the meaning of an environment variable might not mean too much to us right now, but eventually we'll talk about what those mean as well. So I think this part may be kind of tricky because we're all on, because some of us are using different things like Mac and Chromebooks. So maybe I'll just talk about the steps for people on Windows right now, and then I could work individually with the people that have other things like Macs and Chromebooks. So if you're on Windows, can you, I'm gonna have you do the following steps here. Can you open up your control panel and then click on Systems and Security and then System, and I'll try to follow the steps on my end as well. Let me share this. So let's see, right? So I'm gonna need you to open up Control Panel, then click System and Security, and then click System. Good. So after that, another window should open up. This isn't what maybe this isn't the best. Okay, actually, I think I think this would may actually be easier. Okay, try. I'm going to have you guys close down Control Panel, and instead we're going to go straight to the advanced settings from down here. So on the bottom left on your Windows System search, can you guys type in advanced view advanced system settings, and you should see it show up like this here. So I'm going to need you guys that are on Windows to click that, and then a little window similar to what's on this slide here should pop up. Oh, your thing's on 0%, Vincent? Man, that's okay. I'm going to have to work with you after I do these next few steps. Oh, yours is taking a while then. Okay. All right.
I have a question.
Yes, Tyson?
Are we allowed to access the slides after the meeting?
I'm,
the steps?
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Let's see, do we have Karen or anyone else at AOE on the?
We will not provide the slides, but we will provide the recording. Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
Because I went to the bathroom and I'm a little lost.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry. Let's see. Okay. Maybe I'll come back to I'll reiterate the next steps in the environment setup. So I just had you guys type in, if you're on Windows, had you guys type in view advanced.
Sorry for the interruption. Tyson, if
Yep.
you cannot catch up today, Dr. Yang can help you when you are in the center, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, I really advise you guys to also go to the center and try to find help there to set up your environment, because these things are really hard to do, especially since this is your first class. But yeah, so for the people at this step, I need you to type in view advanced system settings, and then this window should come up. We need to click that, and then another window should pop up that looks similar to what's on this slide right here. Okay. So now that that is up, I'm gonna need you guys to click environment variables. That's down there. We got someone there. Oh yeah, Jerry, I think since you're on Mac, your steps are gonna be a little different. I think what might happen for you is that you may just have to go to the club center and have someone set this up for you. Other than that, or I have to like help you walk through it one-on-one. All right. See, Vincent, your download just finished. All right, so you could probably just follow the steps that I have now by going to your advanced system settings and getting their system properties page up. And I could help walk you through the steps once I wrap up this part here. Okay. So once you guys click environment variables in the system properties page, you're gonna have to, you should see something called system variables in the bottom half of your screen. And I'll try to follow on my site too. All right, so I have my system properties page up. Click environment variables, and then you should see the page called environment variables come up. I'm gonna need you to click new, and then you see another window called new system variable come up, and we're gonna populate this with some stuff. But just to make sure that does everyone follow, at least everyone that's on Windows and able to follow these steps, can you say in the chat if you're able to see this page, at least this new system variable page? All right, so we got a few people. Okay, that's good. I was worried that not everyone would be having a hard time here. Okay, so once you have that variable name and other stuff up, I'm going to need you to type in two things. So in the variable name, type in Java_home in all caps, and make sure to do it in all caps. And for the variable value, I'm going to need you to type in. So on this slide here, it says E:\JDK14. Or for us, we're going to put C. We're going to replace that E with C because we put it on our C drive. So I will share my property screen again and show you guys what it's supposed to look like. Let's see here. So you go to system properties and then see, Eddie, since you're using Chromebook, I may just have to work with you individually because your steps are going to be different. I think these slides here assumes that that it's on Windows. So let's see. I'll tell you guys the value in the name. I will have it up here and I'll share my screen. So you click environment variables and go down here and click new. And then for variable name, it's going to be Java _ home in all caps. And for the variable value, it's going to be C:\\. And then that's and then JDK. It's gonna be the name of what we just downloaded. So JDK/19.0.1. So it's going to be a little different than from what's on the slide. Yep, and once you have this, the variable name and value up like this, you press OK, and then it should be added to your path.
By the way, where will we find the recordings for the meeting?
I assume it'll be on the Google Classroom, but we haven't really gone over our Google Classroom yet. Let's see. Karen, are you still there? Looks like it's not. But yeah, we'll definitely figure out where the recordings will be on Tyson, and then we'll probably send an email out so that you guys can rewatch these. And I'm probably going to send a few links on the Google Classroom that talks about how to set up a Java environment, because I doubt that we'll be able to do everything in the last few minutes that we have here now. But yeah, let's see. So once you have the variable name and value populated like this, you press OK, and then it will be added to your path. And that's just one step. Let's see. We just set up the Java home environment variable. Now we want to set up our path variable, which is another thing we have to do. So for the people at this step, in your system variables, I guess, thing that's open here, there should be something called path, a variable called path. So I'll need you to click that path, then click edit. And then you should see an edit environment variable page with some stuff in it. So once you see this page, you're going to click new, and you're going to type in C:\JDK/19.0.1, kind of like before. And then you're going to add in a \bin, and then OK. And I know that these steps might, and I know I just said a lot, and these steps might not make sense, but these are needed in order to correctly set up a Java environment. So does anyone have any questions on these immediate steps?
Wait, why are you typing it 2 times?
Oh yeah, it's because I already have the JDK like on my path, so I guess I can delete it, and I just added it again. So on your computers, it should just be there once. I just happen to already have it on mine. But yeah, you're gonna want to type in this in order to add the JDK to your path. And I'll probably type it in the chat as well. Let's see, so you guys can see what it's supposed to look like. So you want to add that to your path. And then once you do that, the the Java environment is set up, at least the JDK is set up. So the next step after that is to download the clips, but we may have to save that for next class because there are some steps involved with downloading the clips correctly. So now we're going to backtrack a bit, and I'm going to try to help the people that need to continue with the next steps of the Java environment setup. So can you post in the chat if you still need some help with setting up the JDK after you extracted it? Okay. So let's see, Tyson. Okay, I suppose we can start with Tyson. Tyson, can you try sharing your screen?
Okay. You see it?
Yep.
So I was in my files for this. What do I do?
Okay. Let's see. So do you see the Windows search bar down there? Like on your taskbar? That there's a thing called search.
Oh, this?
Yeah. So I click on that. Can you type in view advanced system settings?
Wait, what?
Can you type in view advanced system settings? Okay, yep, there it is. So click that. Now click environment variables. Now click the new on the bottom, like that's under system variables.
This one?
Yeah. Now for variable name, type in Java _ home in all caps.
Home?
Yep, it has to be in all caps though.
Oh.
All right. And for variable name, since yours is on, okay, it looks like yours is on the C drive. Type in C :
capital, right? Capital,
yep,
right?
capital C. Yep, : /. Looks like that's a forward. Yeah, / and then JDK.
JDK. Is it all like capital or?
Is it all what? Oh, yeah, it's
capital?
all lowercase. Yep, it's all lowercase. This part's all lowercase because it's going to be the name of the thing that we just downloaded. So it'll be JDK hyphen 19.
Hyphen?
Yep, 19.0.1.
Hyphen again?
Yeah, I'll type it in also on the chat so that you can see what it's supposed to go there. So if you type it in JDK hyphen 19.0.1.
19.0.1.
Yep, and then click OK. All right, so Java environment variable was created. Now, do you see path? That's kind of right under OS. There's a variable name called path. Yep, now click edit. All right, so now we need to add the JDK to your path. And I just posted what you're supposed to type in, but can you click edit? Well, not edit, actually, no, new, sorry. Yeah, click new. And then I'll need you to, I'm going to post what you should type in there in the chat again.
Wait, does it have bin in it?
Yep, it's pretty much what you had earlier, but with an extra \bin to it. And make sure to have a backslash in front of the J too. Yep, that looks all right.
I press OK.
Yep. All right, and then press OK again. All right. So yours is all set up now.
All right, did I press OK?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop screen sharing.
All right. Okay, thank you for that. Let's see, who else do we have here? Jerry, do you have some issues?
You said that I have my file like extracted, but like I don't think it is.
All right, can you try sharing your screen?
Oh, okay.
All right. And after Jerry, I could try to help you out too, Eddie.
Oh, okay. Wait. So like, I go to my Finder. I have my documents. I have this thing. Like, what do I do now?
All right, so it looks like that it did extract correctly. Well, let's see. Since you're on Mac, there are some different steps that you have to follow. And to be honest, I don't know what the steps are off the top of my head because the slides are on Windows. So let's see, I may have to do some searching on my end and then share the steps with you and maybe work with you on Zoom to do it. But what you need to do is and set up some environment variables in the path. And the steps are different on Mac than on Windows. So yeah, I'm not really too sure what I can do for you right here and now, unfortunately.
So who has a question here?
It's Jerry.
Jerry, you have a question, right, to set up? Are you coming to the center tomorrow?
Tomorrow, sure. I can come tomorrow.
Yeah, you can come here tomorrow and Dr. Yang can help you set up, yeah. Or maybe we can post the recording in the classroom so you can get on the Google Classroom and take a look at review the slide. Review the recordings. Yeah, that's another option. Yeah.
Yeah. Though Jerry's case is a little hard because he's on Mac and the slides are on Windows.
Yeah, I might be able to send you some instructions for the installation for the Mac. You might have to go through that. Even Dr. Yang, he doesn't have, the Mac either. Yeah. So, but we can find you some documents to set up. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Sure. Do all the students get the Java environment set up?
I haven't because I'm on Chromebook.
Chromebook does not work. You have to have a computer. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Maybe you have a computer, right? Your mom said you have a new computer. Yeah. So
yeah, I'll talk to them about that.
Yeah, we will just put the recording in the Google Classroom. By the way, you need to get on the Google Classroom. If in case you haven't joined it yet, you can just ask parents to share the Google Classroom code, and I can put the whole code for you as well. So you can get on to the Google Classroom, and we will put the code there. So if anyone who still has some questions, feel free to stay and we'll let our instructor leave. And I think Kingsley, yeah, if students don't have any other questions, we can stop here, yeah.
All right.